What is the Loci cycle? Before we start, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. Trying to get visitors to your site? Struggling to pick up your sales for the month? It has recently come to our attention that a team of experts has been employing an artificial intelligence-focused traffic automation tool that can generate over $2,079 per week in profits alone. The best parts are that such earnings can be achievable with zero competition, and the integrated tool can be applied in just about any niche. Click the first link in the description below to order the Loci cycle from the official website now. Confused as to how consumers can reap the benefits of every existing niche market known to humankind? Without any further delay, here's a glimpse into the endless possibilities that might stem from the Loci cycle. Loci cycle reviews, Chris Munch's money-making strategy of 2021 exposed. Loci cycle by way of Chris Munch is a complicated e-trade business schooling with a view to enable you to construct a web enterprise with a big profit. The Loci cycle has been written in the English language with a class e-trade education path. The Loci cycle is an 8-week-long direction to assist humans to build an internet business readily and in a precise e-trade fashion. Chris Munch earned a profit in 8 figures using the techniques which they have got elucidated in Loci cycle. What is included in the Loci cycle course? In Loci cycle opinions, you may get a simple concept of what you'll get in Loci cycle thanks to their previous exemplary works. Time-honored area with high quality for instant reaction. Loading of the high-converting subject matter into the area in 60 seconds, accessing the supplied software, pinpoint worthwhile products without developing texts or snapshots, transfer of merchandise into the website online, directly focused traffic to the e-commerce shop, drop ship of the product without being an intermediary. Module 1, Marketing Basics. Module 2, FB Advertisements. Module 3, Business Evaluation. Module 4, While you may run advertisements. Module 5, The way to have interaction and hold clients. Module 6, Bidding Skill. Click the first link in the description below to order the Loci cycle from the official website now. Pros and Cons of Loci cycle course by Chris Munch. Pros: professional and skilled creator, Chris Munch. Chris Munch had been a part of e-trade stores for terribly long. Over a while, they've received all of the expertise that had to emerge correctly. Realistic expertise. The sensible knowledge of the creators of the route is the maximum striking characteristic in order to assist you in learning the tricks and plans which assist construct an online commercial enterprise rather than get the bookish knowledge. Cons: luxurious. There is not even an iota of doubt that the route in itself is a whole package deal of all of the critical information concerning the online enterprise. The Loci cycle fee is an excessive amount of and is probably highly priced for many and unaffordable because of its cost. Loci cycle bonuses: more traffic. Apart from the professional education, the route offers interesting bonuses in an effort to amaze you with customized and realistic schooling. The video name from the professionals of this application is a massive bonus where you can take hold of some guidelines for efficiently setting up a web enterprise. You need to have a bit of distinct know-how about the subject earlier than contacting them, as this will assist you in knowledge the topic and elements. Search engine optimization ebook, SEO book is some other bonus to upgrade your rating and search outcomes. Big sales technology and optimized search engine optimization ratings are critical for online enterprise. Base subscribers will make certain the effective and smooth functioning of your enterprise. Subscribers manual will help you to understand the significance of retaining your subscribers properly knowledgeable approximately today's products. With these blessings, you can ultimately grow the range of subscribers in your commercial enterprise. Loci cycle rate and plans. The Loci cycle fee is $43,497. The route has the choice of payment in installment for the benefit of the customers. Every installment is $1,167. Click the first link in the description below to order the Loci cycle from the official website now. Thank you for watching video. We hope to see you in the next review.